Hello, in this video let us solve this question. So we have root 3 plus root t is equal to 3, and here we have to solve for all the possible values of t. So t is your known we have to solve for. Now to do this, solution. So we have root 3 plus root t is equal to 3. So the first thing we're going to do is to eliminate the square root, and to do so we're going to square the both sides of the equation. So in brackets, root 3 plus root t all squared is equal to 3 squared. Now looking at this is in the form of a plus b all squared, and a plus b all squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now in this case, the value of a is equal to root 3, the value of b is equal to root t. So in putting the value of a as root 3 and b as root t into this, we have it that a squared becomes in brackets root 3 all squared, then plus 2 times a is root 3, then times b is root t, then plus b squared, b is root t, so root t all squared is equal to 3 squared is 9. From here, square cancel square root, we have 3 plus 2 times root 3 times root t is root 3t plus square cancel square root, we have t is equal to 9. At this junction, or to move 3 over to this side and also move t over to this side, such that upon doing so we are left with 2 root 3t is equal to, here we have 9, then if plus 3 move over it becomes minus 3, if plus t moves over so you have minus t, such that we have 2 root 3t is equal to 9 minus 3 is 6, then minus t. So from here, solving this, 2 root 3t is equal to 6 minus t. So divide both sides by 2 over 2. 2 divide 2, we have it as root 3t is equal to 6 minus t over 2. At this junction, the next thing is to eliminate the square root, and to do so, square the both sides of the equation, so all squared, so that square cancel square root, we have 3t is equal to, in brackets, 6 minus t over 2 all squared. So from here, solving this further, 3t is equal to, now 6 minus t over 2 all squared is simply 6 minus t over 2 multiplied by 6 minus t over 2. So with this, right, 3t is equal to 6 times 6 is 36 minus 6 times minus t is minus 6t, then minus t times 6 is minus 6t, minus t times minus t is plus t squared, all over 2 times 2 is 4. So 3t, right, is equal to 36, then minus 6t minus 6t is simply minus 12t, then plus we have t squared all over 4. At this junction, simply 3t can be written as over 1, and we can then cross multiply, such that 3t times 4 is 12t is equal to 1 times this is 36 minus 12t plus t squared. So with this, move 12t over to this side. Upon doing so, what we then have is, okay, we have t squared here, then we have minus 12t. If plus 12t moves over, it becomes minus 12t. Then we have plus 36. So plus 36 is equal to, here then becomes 0. So with this, solving this further, t squared minus 12t minus 12t is simply minus 24t, then plus 36 is equal to 0. And here we have a quadratic equation. Now to solve for the value of t, we're going to make use of the quadratic formula. So with respect to t, the formula is minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this case, right here, the value of a is the coefficient of t squared, which is 1. The value of b is the coefficient of t, which is minus 24. So minus 24. The value of c is the constant, which is 36. So plus 36. Now, in putting these values into the formula, t is equal to minus, b is minus 24. So minus 24, then plus or minus square root. B is minus 24. So all squared, minus 24 all squared, then minus 4 times a is 1, then times c is 36, all over 2 times a is 1. So with this, the value of t is then equal to minus times minus 24 is equal to plus 24, plus or minus square root of minus 24 squared is equal to 576, then minus 4 times 1 times 36 is equal to 144, all over 2 times 1 is 2. So t is equal to 24 plus or minus square root of 576 minus 144 is 432, all over 2. So working with this, the value of t is then equal to, we have 24, then plus or minus root. Now for 432 can be written as 144 times 3. This will give us 432, then all over 2. So t is equal to, we have 24 plus or minus root 144 is 12, then root 3, so root times root 3, then all over 2. Such that from here, 2 we divide 24, we have 12. 2 we divide 12, we have 6. So working with that, the value of t is then equal to 12 plus or minus 6 root 3. So with this, we've gotten the value of t1 is equal to 12 plus 6 root 3, right? And the value of t2 is equal to 12 minus 6 root 3. So we've gotten the values of t1 and t2, but between these values of t1 and t2, there is one incorrect values of t that will not satisfy the given equation. So let us check it out and see the real answer, the correct answer of t. Now let's confirm. So let's check. The equation is root 3 plus root t is equal to 3. Now, making use of the first value of t, which is 12 plus 6 root 3. So when t is equal to 12 plus 6 root 3, right? And putting the value of t1 into this equation, we have it as, okay, root 3 plus root t becomes 12 plus 6 root 3 is equal to 3. So with this equal 3, question mark. Now looking at this, right, we have it that from here, root 3 will give us a value greater than 1. Same thing here also, root 3 will give us a value greater than 1. Now if you multiply 6 times the number greater than 1 and then add it with 12, right, and then you square the answer, what you will get is a value that is greater than 4. Now if you have a number greater than 1 plus a number greater than 4, what you will get is a number that will be greater than 5. And with this, obviously this cannot be equal to 3, right? It cannot be equal to 3. So that means that the value of t1 as 12 plus 6 root 3 is the incorrect value. But let's also confirm for the second value of t. So t2 is equal to 12 minus 6 root 3, right? So when t2, right, t2 is equal to 12 minus 6 root 3. Let's input this into the equation. The equation is root 3 plus root t is equal to 3. So we have it as root 3, then plus root t becomes this. So 12 minus 6 root 3. With this equal 3, question mark. Now looking at this, right, root 3 will give us a number greater than 1. Also from here, root 3 will give us a number that is also greater than 1. Now if you multiply 6 times a number that is greater than 1 and then you subtract it from 12 and then square root the answer, what you get is a number that will be less than 3. Now if you add up a number greater than 1 and also less than 3, now you might get the answer approximately to be 3. So that means that for the value of t2 as 12 minus 6 root 3, right, this is the correct value of t that will satisfy the given equation. And with this, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.